Elements of negotiation. Elements of negotiation. Negotiation is a dynamic and multifaceted process that involves the strategic interaction of various elements to reach agreements and resolve conflicts. These essential components, collectively referred to as the elements of negotiation, form the foundation for effective communication, collaboration, and decision-making during discussions. As individuals engage in negotiations, they navigate through a complex interplay of factors such as communication styles, power dynamics, and the pursuit of shared interests. Understanding and skillfully managing these elements are crucial for negotiators seeking to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes and build sustainable relationships. In this context, exploring the key elements of negotiation provides valuable insights into the art and science of reaching agreements in diverse, personal and professional settings. Here are key elements of negotiation. 1. Parties involved. Negotiation involves two or more parties, each with their own interests, goals, and perspectives. Understanding the dynamics between these parties is essential for effective negotiation. Example, in a salary negotiation, the parties involved are the employer and the employee. The employer seeks to manage labor costs, while the employee aims for fair compensation based on skills and market standards. 2. Interests and goals. Each party enters a negotiation with specific interests and goals they aim to achieve. Identifying and understanding these interests is crucial for finding mutually beneficial solutions. Example, in a negotiation between a software developer and a client, the developer's interest is to deliver a high-quality product, while the client's goal is to have a cost-effective solution within a specific time frame. 3. Positions. Positions are the explicit demands or proposals made by each party during negotiation. While they are important, skilled negotiators delve deeper to understand the underlying interests behind these positions. Example, in a real estate negotiation, the seller's position may be a specific asking price, while the buyer's position may be a desire for a lower price. Understanding the motivations behind these positions can lead to creative solutions. 4. Communication. Effective communication is crucial for conveying information, understanding each party's perspective, and building rapport. It involves verbal and nonverbal cues, active listening, and clarity in conveying messages. Example, in a business negotiation, clear and transparent communication ensures that both parties understand the terms of the agreement, reducing the likelihood of misunderstandings or disputes. 5. Preparation. Preparation involves researching, analyzing, and gathering relevant information before entering into negotiations. Prepared negotiators are more likely to make informed decisions and respond strategically. Example, before negotiating a business partnership, a company may conduct market research, assess competitors, and analyze potential risks and benefits to be well prepared for discussions. 6. Alternatives. BATNA. BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement, represents the course of action a party will take if negotiations fail. Understanding one's BATNA is crucial for gauging negotiation leverage. Example, in labor negotiations, a union may have a strong BATNA of a potential strike if the terms are not favorable, giving them negotiating leverage. 7. Concessions. Concessions are compromises or adjustments made by parties during negotiations to reach an agreement. Effective negotiators manage concessions strategically to achieve their primary goals. Example, in a trade negotiation between countries, concessions may involve tariff reductions or adjustments in quotas to find a middle ground that benefits both parties. 8. Negotiation styles. Different individuals and cultures have distinct negotiation styles, ranging from competitive and assertive to cooperative and accommodating. Recognizing and adapting to these styles enhances the negotiation process. Example, in negotiations between a Western and an Asian business, understanding cultural differences in negotiation styles, such as directness and hierarchy, is essential for building effective communication. 9. Time pressure. Negotiations often occur within a time frame, and the element of time pressure can impact decision-making and concessions. Recognizing and managing time constraints is crucial for effective negotiation. Example, in a contract negotiation with a tight deadline, parties may be more willing to make concessions to reach an agreement quickly, balancing the urgency of the situation. 10. Ethics and trust. Ethical conduct and trust are foundational elements in negotiation. Parties are more likely to reach successful agreements when there is mutual trust, and negotiations are conducted with integrity. Example, in international trade negotiations, adherence to ethical standards in compliance with international laws builds trust between countries, fostering long-term collaboration. 11. Emotions. Emotions play a significant role in negotiation dynamics. Understanding and managing emotions, both one's own and those of the other party, is essential for effective communication and relationship building. Example, in a negotiation for a business acquisition, managing emotions becomes crucial to avoid conflicts and ensure a rational decision-making process that benefits both the acquirer and the target company. 12. Cultural sensitivity. Negotiators must be aware of and sensitive to cultural differences in communication styles, values, and behaviors. Cultural sensitivity enhances understanding and promotes successful cross-cultural negotiations. Example, when negotiating a joint venture between companies from different cultures, being culturally sensitive ensures that both parties feel respected and understood, fostering a positive negotiation environment. 13. Creativity and problem solving. Negotiators often encounter challenges that require creative thinking and problem-solving skills. The ability to generate innovative solutions contributes to finding mutually beneficial agreements. Example, in a negotiation between an artist and a gallery owner, creative problem-solving may involve exploring unique exhibition formats, marketing strategies, or revenue-sharing models that benefit both parties. 14. Legal and regulatory considerations. Negotiations must align with legal and regulatory frameworks. Understanding and navigating these considerations is essential to avoid legal disputes and ensure compliance. Example, in a negotiation for a merger, negotiators must consider antitrust laws, intellectual property regulations, and other legal aspects to create an agreement that is legally sound. Conclusion. The elements of negotiation summarize the intricate dynamics that cause successful and fruitful discussions. As negotiators deal with diverse factors such as communication, empathy, and problem solving, they embark on a journey of collaboration and compromise. The art of negotiation lies not only in understanding these elements individually, but in organizing them harmoniously to forge agreements that stand the test of time. The adaptability to varying circumstances, coupled with ethical decision-making and a commitment to constructive dialogue, elevates negotiations from mere transactions to relationships built on trust and mutual respect. By continually honing these skills and embracing the multifaceted nature of negotiation, individuals can navigate the complexities of human interaction, fostering positive outcomes that transcend immediate agreements and contribute to the long-term success of both parties involved. In essence, the mastery of negotiation elements empowers individuals to transform conflicts into opportunities and build bridges that endure.